This is Looking Forward for Physics 122 for Wednesday, the 28th of January, 2015. As you get ready for class tomorrow, I'd like you to read units 22.1 through 22.3. I'd like you to think about the following few questions. When we say the word flux, what do we mean? If I said my bank account was in a state of flux, what would that mean? Could it be in a state of flux increasing or decreasing? And would there be a difference in those two things in the real world? If we talk about the flux through a water hose, what does that mean? Given we've thought about regarding those words regarding flux, let's imagine that at a positive charge here that was blowing out, sending out an electric field in all directions radially. If I put a little patch here, would there be a flux through that patch? And if I took that patch and I made it a sphere, would there be a flux through that sphere? Now, consider from that case the following two situations then. The first one, I take that positive charge that's sending out an electric field, and instead of drawing this sphere and the flux through the sphere where the sphere is close to the charge, let's draw the sphere to be bigger, where it's further away from the charge. How does the flux from these two spheres compare? The second situation would be to replace the positive charge here with a negative charge, so electric field gets sucked into the negative charge. And I put a sphere around that. How would the flux around the sphere from the negative charge compare to the one for the positive charge? The third question, and we'll answer this in class, is why do we care? Why does it matter that we know what flux is and that we can compare it for different distances from a charge or from different charges themselves? You might want to pay special attention to examples 22.2 and 22.3 of the book, although that's not really absolutely essential. This is Dr. Doty. I'll see you tomorrow.